Hey everyone, Dr. Rodman with Sports Chiropractic. Today we're going to talk about a real nuisance in the shoulder called the pec minor. There's 17 muscles that attach to this bone, your scapula right here. So I tell people that's like 17 different instruments coming together to play a song. If one of those instruments is playing the wrong song, the whole harmony is off. A lot of times people are very tight in their pec minor, which comes from this bone right here. So we all know this is the clavicle. We're going to slide down and you're going to feel a little bony projection here called your coracoid process, which is going to, you follow your clavicle, drop down, it's right there. That's where the pec minor goes, from there to the ribs. I'm going to show you a few ways that you could self-massage the pec minor to help your shoulder fall back into a better place and relieve a lot of shoulder issues. So this is the first thing called a hook right here. You can find these in most sporting goods stores and things like that online. But you're going to locate that pec minor by going across the clavicle, dropping down to that bony coracoid process, and ooh, there you are. You're right on a tender spot. What you want to do is you want to actually kind of lower your shoulder, hold pressure there, and raise up. So you're shortening the muscle and then stretching it while you have pressure on there. We're going to do this for about 2 minutes. The next one might be a little easier, but it's a little more torturous. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a ball like this, which is like a softball size, or this one's called the supernova. You're going to put it on that pec minor, and you're going to lay on the floor, and you're just going to get direct pressure on there and kind of just find that sore spot and just, ooh, hurts so good kind of pressure on there. Same thing, about 2 minutes. And the last one is one of my favorites, and I take about a 5-foot long PVC pipe and I'll put it in the corner of a floor, and I'll get onto that same spot, find that coracoid process a little bit below it. And I like this one because you have good leverage leaning forward. It does hurt, but it feels good, and you can kind of move that around and do some good massage. So if you're having any problems with your shoulder, we'd love to help you at Sports Chiropractic. But if you want to attempt some of these on your own, always good to consult with your physician first. But this could really help if you're having some shoulder issues to work on that pec minor. Dr. Rodman, have a great day.